9:30 in the morning now. I've got a meeting at 10. So I'm going to show you like behind the scenes. It's up at 7 at breakfast, bags. Got to the speedboat, got to the resort, so what I need to do now, I've got half an hour to find Wi-Fi. Rihiveli, I think it is, Rihiveli. It's a brand new resort, we opened around 6 weeks ago. Super gas to check it out. I believe it's actually 2 islands, it's now forming into one over the years. It's got a tail reef, got a golden beach, got stingrays right around on the beach, so you should see a lot of wildlife. My job is to get the laptop out, find fast Wi-Fi. I've got a meeting with the guys in about 20 minutes. I've got a meeting with Zach, the guy I want to bring for a new accountant, and I've got a meeting with all the forest boys to go about. So I'll kind of show you behind the scenes of what goes on in day-to-day life. It's not always just speedboats, snorkeling and edges. There's a lot of work in between. So. I've got a meeting in 17 minutes, doing all the check-in, all that kind of stuff. Need to find good Wi-Fi, but at least I found a nice, beautiful beach to work from. Fucking beautiful, it looks ridiculous. I can't wait to get the drone out. The jet ski, the snorkeling, everything is just of course ridiculous water you'll ever come across. I can't even look into the sky. The sun's that bright. It's paradise. So just walking through the resort to the back end where the restaurant and bar is, that's where the best Wi-Fi is. So Russian got a meeting in 10 minutes, so all engines to our left boys to check in. Mooching to the other side, lost, I have no idea where I am. Found the office. Since my old Instagram's gone, I'm building this new one, the passport, the crazy passports. It's much because I got Ploy here. We're doing twice the content, twice everything. I want to focus and build this personal brand because you cannot put a value on a personal brand. Getting somebody in from a personal brand.
This week, so it's hard to forecast, and it's quite a fast-paced business in terms of that. With Beersdorf or with any of these things, I guess it's like contracts. You know what's coming in, you know what's going out. You plan for a marketing event or an ad budget.
So how much money are we going to push behind advertising, behind marketing? You know, how much new customers are we going to reach in that way? And you can start to obviously like add things on top of each other, piece by piece.
Oh, that's a wrap. Done. This views. Now it's time to get the drone out. I've got a few hours because I catch up with the Bali boys. Zach was in China. Another guy was in Dubai, James. So I've got like a nice little few hours now while England's just waking up. So I can go and take the jet ski out, get the drone out, have some lunch, and then catch up with the girls and the team and the community. They're all just waking up now, so it's like a perfect time where I can just have some downtime, then implement everything we spoke on the meeting. Then we catch up at 8 PM my time, just to confirm that the tasks we've all set ourselves for the day are done, and yeah, rinse and repeat. So I'm heading there for a swim, and I'll catch you in a bit, man. let me break it down real quick, because this place is called Rihiveli Resort. It used to be called Rihiveli Beach Resort, but due to COVID-19 it didn't make it. The French owners sold it to a Dubai consortium. They were in the process of rebuilding up, kind of thing. There's no water village yet, but they are getting built on the other side. And they also own 2 islands next door and built a bridge connecting water village to it. So in 3 or 4 years this place will be completely different. I just want to kind of drop some intel on the Maldives. It's a place I know very well. And for those who haven't been here or have booked elsewhere, there's a few hidden costs or agendas that kind of spit up when you go through the booking process, especially on booking.com, Agoda and them kind of things. So just be careful, because when you book the resort, it doesn't include taxes, and taxes can be the same amount as the night rate. For example, this one's $482 a night, US dollars, and the tax is $300 a night. But it does actually show that on the actual price. It's in the blueprint of the booking.com Agoda. So when you get here, like it's $432, and you actually got to pay $700 a night. It's not a huge difference. Another thing, if you go down on booking.com and Agoda and all the other booking companies, you'll see additional policies. Now, when you land in Mali, it's a secluded island, and you have to get to the resort. You have to go to domestic terminal, you get a seaplane, or you get the speedboat to the resort. Depends how far away you are. Sometimes you have to get a domestic flight and a seaplane, depending on if the coral's too short and the plane can't land now, of course. Now a seaplane ranges from $380 to $700 return, including taxes per person. So again, if you're a couple, it's $1,400 you've got to add on to the cost. If it's a speedboat, the cheeky man, they can be at $20, $100, or sometimes at $450, depending on the resort. So it's something you have to be really, really careful of. Now, this resort's crazy because there's only 7 people on it. This opened on the 26th of November. Trying to time it right for Christmas in January, but with the new COVID variant, the Omicron, whatever it's called, it's not looking good. So this actually has 10% occupancy up until the 12th of December. So it's crazy. You feel that you've got private bookers, private chefs, private bartenders, stuff like that. The second alone they're coming over with a menu or with a drink or with a question or how are you, I've never experienced anything like it. It's ridiculous, it really is. Extremely friendly staff. All the staff here are from Sri Lanka or India. They're massive on sport. They're super, super friendly. The food's ridiculously tasty. It's all fresh tuna, Maldivian local, it's spicy tuna, mahuni, the best. Also like a dal curry, vegetarian curry. They have all sorts. The food is ridiculous. Now you can get full board, all inclusive, breakfast only. Again, you have to be really, really careful, because if you go breakfast only, you might get the steal at $300, $280 a night. But when you get here, it's $200 per person for the buffet meal at night time, and that's where they really sting it. So it's $200 plus taxes. That's $240, $220 per person just for the meal at night. And the drinks alone, like this is the Bacardi and Cola, is $12 for a single. And it's all inclusive, so I get it free. It's something you've got to be really careful of that. When I first used to come, I used to, I do breakfast only, I'll skip lunch, and I'll have a big meal at night, and I won't drink that much, I'll have a few beers. It's the completely wrong way to go about it. If you like eating and you like drinking, you take this as a holiday, not as a digital nomad, working location, please go and save yourself the hassle of having that big bill when you're checking out, because if you're paying the bill, you're not getting that seaplane home.